I was shaking because it freaked me out. It freaked me out, man. So.
What did freak you out?
It started.
Without filming.
Without filming, but that's okay. Because it's been frustrating for the last 3 months. I swear. But yeah, anyways. So I kind of got the idea. So the coil is going directly to the positive battery, right? And then this is right here. So this is a starter fluid. Check this out. Okay, wait. Now, the thing is for it to have a constant flow, it probably needs to be on this one here. So I think according to what I saw on the internet, there's supposed to be the positive to the coil to here. So let's try it again.
It fell correctly.
I know, for once it's still cracked.
Oh.
This is not combustible enough. That's probably why I haven't got anything. Look at all the smoke coming out of the back.
Oh, do it.
Oh.
No good?
No, you know what's going on is because the starter this engages the starter.
Yeah.
But the starter needs to be disengaged for the engine to run.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is
Tap it.
probably put one here, like so, and then I'm gonna start it. So let's
Try it from the beginning.
yeah. So I'm gonna need so I'm gonna use this to start it. So I have to have
A and B.
Yeah, one to keep it started, one to start it, and one to keep it started. So right here, like this, one like this, like so, to keep the power to it, and one here. Sweet, it's almost there.
Oh.
Probably more gas. So once it gets started, I probably have to keep dumping gas because the carburetor's probably not right. Okay, so let's try that. I probably need some regular gas now, and I don't have any on me because it probably needs to have gas flowing in there. Look at all the smoke coming out of the back.
I know.
And that's not even the barbecue either.
I know, at first I was tripping out because I thought it was a barbecue. Just like. I heard that like it's stagnant, then it goes down.
Yeah, because it's probably not getting enough gas through the carburetor. So let's choke. Oh, you know what? Maybe because I need to choke it. Okay,
Yeah.
Here we go.
Makes sense because.
See, I'm damaging the damn freaking starter.
Yeah.
Jeez. So I don't know. See, now that's the next step to keep it started. Gee. Man, hope you're recording, is it?
No, that'd be funny if
That
there's no night
that'd be all this time. I'm all excited and everything, so. Yeah,
No.
see, it needs to keep freaking, damn.
But luckily, this is the first giant ass step.
Yeah, it's a huge step, but now we just got to try to see if that catches fire. You know, I'm so lucky right now we didn't get a big fire, because I've seen people start their flatheads on the internet and it catches fire like pretty big, you know, but
yeah.
See, right now almost got fire.
Oh, that
was cool. All that smoke. This is like freaking 50 years of smoke going on right here. 50 years of smoking.
Yeah, it smells like a burnout. Where's that smoke coming from?
Well, because the muffler's probably got a rat in it or something.
Oh yeah, probably
or,
plugged
you know,
up.
the Dubner wasp. You know, the mud wasp.
Yeah.
So, anyway, this is okay. I'm gonna just
One more time.
Yeah, one more time, and we're gonna just spray this and keep on spraying it until it stays started or whatever. Oh, I'm gonna destroy that damn starter. So you know what? Let me see. Oh yeah, all the way in is choke. Okay, this is choke. Okay.
Yeah, because they almost started.
So we don't need it choked anymore because it's probably hot. I'm probably running out of starter fluid. Oh, throttle, no wonder, throttle. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be a trick. Yeah, you know what? I bet that freaking carburetor wasn't rebuilt right. But you know, what could I say? This is going to take some coordination. Well, I guess you're going to be responsible for spraying it in here. Okay. Let me spray it right here. Once it starts cranking. You ready?
Okay. What was that? The starter?
No, yeah, the starter.
Go
because it's supposed to disengage when it starts, so it won't be grinding anymore.
Yeah.
Well, at least the timing's good, I think. The battery's done. Oh, Devin, you're not recording right. Oh, man. Anyways, this is a major step in this freaking process. This taken freaking 3 months to get to this point. But it sounds like the timing's good. It sounds like the timing's good. We just got to be able to send a constant stream of fuel to the engine. So the battery's not enough to give it crank anymore. Nah, it's done. Done deal. But anyways, look at all the smoke. We had ignition today, so you know, there's a guy on the internet selling carburetors. I almost bought 2 brand new carburetors on
Okay, the carburetor.
Yeah, it's probably, you know, I should have been, you know, it doesn't even seem like it's cranking proper, or sorry. It's anyways, it's crazy. It's just crazy, all of it. Because it's been so extremely frustrating and discouraging. Now I have a little bit of encouragement. Jeez.
Now you just need to put the belt on.
Yeah, the belt, the generator. I got to rewire the whole thing. But that was cool, dude. The first time it popped, it went poof. Yeah. Because I did all the troubleshooting things, and it didn't make sense that without this,
none
it
of
would
it
spark.
Yeah.
But when I was messing with this, I pulled this out and I put it to the engine and it was sparking like crazy.
Then yeah, luckily, yeah. Tomorrow morning you should go get some lean.
Yeah, well, next weekend we're gonna see if we can get. I'm gonna get the gas pump rebuilt, or rebuild the gas pump, put it here, and then put gas in the tank, and hopefully
It'd be continuous.
Anyways, so that was a very encouraging thing. And let me see. Yeah, anyways, that's all we got.